What if I told you that one of the most powerful flavor ingredients in the world is a tiny fish that many people claim to hate? Even stranger, there's a good chance you've already eaten anchovies and didn't even know it. They're hidden in popular salad dressings, pasta sauces, pizzas, and countless restaurant dishes. Some people avoid them because they think they're too fishy, while chefs around the world consider them a secret weapon for making food taste amazing. So what exactly are anchovies? Why do they have such a strong reputation? And how did these tiny fish end up almost everywhere? The answer might surprise you. Welcome to Consumer's Choice Top 5, where we uncover the hidden stories behind everyday foods, reveal surprising facts, and explain why some of the world's most common products are much more interesting than they seem. Today we're diving into one of the most misunderstood foods on the planet, anchovies. Before we get started, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Do you love anchovies, hate anchovies, or have you never tried them? We'd love to hear your answer. Let's begin with the obvious question. What exactly are anchovies? Anchovies are small saltwater fish that belong to a family known as Anchovies. They are found in oceans around the world and are especially common in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Mediterranean Sea. Most anchovies are relatively small, usually only a few inches long, with shiny silver bodies and narrow shapes. At first glance, they don't look very special. In fact, if you saw a school of anchovies swimming through the water, you might mistake them for other small fish, such as sardines. But despite their size, anchovies have had a massive impact on food culture around the world. One reason anchovies became so important is because they are extremely abundant. Large schools of anchovies can contain thousands or even millions of fish. For centuries, fishermen have harvested them in huge quantities, making them an affordable and accessible source of food. But here's where things get interesting. Most people don't know anchovies because of how they look. They know them because of how they taste. Fresh anchovies have a mild flavor that is much less intense than many people expect. However, the anchovies most people encounter have been cured and preserved. This process dramatically changes their flavor and creates the powerful taste that anchovies are famous for. So how does that happen? After anchovies are caught, they are often cleaned, packed in salt, and left to cure for weeks or even months. During this process, enzymes naturally break down parts of the fish and create complex flavor compounds. The result is a rich, savory taste that food experts often describe as umami. If you've never heard the word umami before, think of it as the deep, savory flavor that makes certain foods incredibly satisfying. It's the same quality found in foods like aged cheese, mushrooms, soy sauce, and slow-cooked meats. This is one reason chefs love anchovies so much. Many people assume anchovies are used because chefs want their dishes to taste fishy. In reality, that's usually not the goal at all. When used correctly, anchovies often disappear into a dish and simply make everything taste richer, deeper, and more flavorful. For example, consider Caesar salad dressing. Many people enjoy Caesar salads without realizing that traditional recipes often contain anchovies. The fish isn't there to make the dressing taste like seafood. It's there to boost flavor. The same thing happens in many pasta sauces. A few anchovies can melt into hot oil and completely disappear, while adding remarkable depth to the finished dish. This leads to one of the biggest anchovy mysteries. Why do so many people claim to hate anchovies while unknowingly enjoying foods that contain them? Part of the answer comes from pizza. For decades, anchovy pizza has been used as the classic example of a topping that some people find unpleasant. Because anchovies are often placed whole on top of pizza, their strong flavor becomes very noticeable. For many people, this became their first introduction to anchovies. As a result, they assumed anchovies always taste that strong. But when anchovies are blended into sauces, dressings, soups, or stews, the experience is completely different. This is why professional chefs often refer to anchovies as a secret ingredient. The fish doesn't always announce its presence. Instead, it quietly enhances everything around it. Now here's a question for you. Have you ever eaten a Caesar salad, Worcestershire sauce, or a rich pasta sauce without realizing it contained anchovies? Let us know in the comments. Speaking of Worcestershire sauce, this is another place where anchovies are hiding in plain sight. Many people use Worcestershire sauce regularly without ever reading the ingredient list. Yet traditional versions often include anchovies as a key ingredient. Once again, the goal isn't to create a fishy flavor. The goal is to build complexity and depth. This is one reason anchovies have become such an important ingredient in kitchens worldwide. Another interesting fact is that anchovies have been used by humans for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations around the Mediterranean valued anchovies as both food and seasoning. The Romans even produced a famous fermented fish sauce called garum. This sauce was made using fish, including anchovies, and became one of the most popular condiments in the Roman world. In some ways, anchovies were helping people boost flavor nearly 2,000 years before modern flavor enhancers existed. That's a pretty impressive history for such a small fish. Today, anchovies remain popular across Europe, Asia, South America, and many other regions. Different cultures prepare them in different ways. In Spain, anchovies are often served as tapas. In Italy, they're commonly used in pasta dishes and sauces. In parts of Asia, anchovies may be dried and used in soups, broths, or snacks. In South America, they're frequently incorporated into local recipes and seafood dishes. The more you travel, the more you realize that anchovies are truly a global food. Let's talk about nutrition for a moment, because anchovies offer more than just flavor. Despite their tiny size, anchovies are packed with nutrients. They contain protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. They're particularly known for providing omega-3 fatty acids, which are often associated with heart health. Anchovies also contain calcium, especially when the small edible bones are consumed. In addition, they provide iron, selenium, and several important vitamins. Of course, there is one thing people should keep in mind. Because many anchovies are preserved with salt, they can contain significant amounts of sodium. For most people, this isn't a problem when anchovies are eaten in moderation, but it's something worth considering. Like many foods, balance is important. Now let's address another common misconception. Many people confuse anchovies with sardines. While both are small fish and sometimes appear similar, they are not the same species. Sardines are generally larger and often have a milder flavor. Anchovies tend to be smaller and develop a more concentrated taste after curing. Think of them as cousins rather than twins. Both are popular seafood choices, but they bring different characteristics to the table. Another reason anchovies are everywhere is because they are incredibly versatile. They can be eaten whole, chopped, blended into sauces, mixed into spreads, added to pizzas, stirred into soups, or used in marinades. Few ingredients can adapt to so many different culinary roles. This versatility has helped anchovies remain relevant for centuries. Even as food trends change, anchovies continue finding new audiences. In recent years, many home cooks have started discovering what professional chefs have known for a long time. A small amount of anchovy can transform an ordinary dish into something much more flavorful, and often nobody can identify exactly why the food tastes better. They just know it does. That's the magic of anchovies. Now let's return to the question in our title. Why are anchovies everywhere? The answer is actually simple. They're affordable. They're abundant. They're packed with flavor. They're easy to preserve. They work in countless recipes. They have a long history of culinary success. And perhaps most importantly, they help make other foods taste better. When an ingredient checks all those boxes, it's easy to see why it spreads across cultures and generations. This is also why anchovies continue appearing in foods where many consumers never expect them. They're not always the star of the show. Sometimes they're working quietly behind the scenes. As we begin wrapping up, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Anchovies are small ocean fish found around the world. While fresh anchovies have a relatively mild taste, the curing process creates the intense savory flavor they're famous for. That flavor is rich in umami, making anchovies a favorite ingredient among chefs. Anchovies appear in Caesar dressing, Worcestershire sauce, pasta dishes, pizzas, soups, and many other foods. They've been used for thousands of years and continue playing an important role in cuisines around the globe. Most importantly, anchovies aren't everywhere because people necessarily want food to taste fishy. They're everywhere because they help make food taste better. That's a very different story than many people expect. So what exactly are anchovies? They're tiny fish with an enormous impact on the way food tastes. They may be small, but their contribution to global cuisine is huge. The next time you enjoy a rich pasta sauce, a Caesar salad, or a savory restaurant meal, there's a chance anchovies helped create that flavor, even if you never noticed. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks they hate anchovies. You might just change their mind. And before you go, answer this question in the comments. Would you eat anchovies on pizza, or do you prefer them hidden inside sauces and dressings? We can't wait to read your answers. Thanks for watching, and please check out our previous videos.